Hey guys, it's Kevin with Watchhimtrade.com. Today's date is May 9th, 2015. This will be a video chart on GoPro, GPRO. GoPro was on watch a little bit ago when it started to come off of this bottom in the high 30s, $40 area, trended up a little bit, and now you are right around 50 bucks. And a few weeks ago when I highlighted GoPro, I said unless you can get above 50 bucks, the intermediate to longer term trend remains to the downside. Well, now here we are right at 50 bucks. So I wanted to update this as I think it gives a good situation on either side, and you can kind of bring your own subjectivity into it here. You could look at this and you say this is a short-term uptrend, and now she is trying to base around 50 bucks, which if she can do sets up for a move towards 60. Or you can look at this and you can say that this rally off of the high 30s is just a counter trend to what has been a 6-month downtrend off of the all-time highs, and now you're near 50 bucks. You're testing resistance psychologically at 50, but it's also in line with the February highs and the late January high areas, and now this is a good shorting opportunity. So, I think it's a good setup for you, whether you're bullish or bearish. You just need to figure out which one, and then use the stop loss and targets that you have. So I'll provide some of those here. So first off, obviously $50. Are you holding above 50? If you are, then I'm looking for upside. If you are not, I'm looking for downside. Key support and key resistance in the near term. Your key resistance, which I will call number 1 up here, and then your key support I'll call number 2 down here. Those exact levels on the resistance side is $54.06, and on the support side $46.50. So you have your play at 50 bucks, and then relative to 50 you have this channel. So I think if you are looking at this versus 50 to the upside, your first target is that high around 54. If you're looking at this as a short versus $50 extension, your first target is the channel low at 46.50 that it just bounced off of. If you can get above 54-ish, that's where it then opens up and you can target 60. Or if you can get below 46.50, that's where it then opens back up to the downside and you can target those lows that I just highlighted down in the $43 to $40 range. So good setup on GoPro either way. You just need to decide how you feel on the stock here. And more longer term, to me, to really decisively break out above this downtrend, you do need to come above $60 and start basing. That way pullbacks can start holding 55 to 50, as opposed to right now, it's still kind of up in the air. Is it going to be able to push through this 50 to 55 resistance range? So you've got your channel set up versus 50 bucks, and you've got the 2 levels to watch on either side for a breakout or breakdown. The breakout being at 54, the breakdown being below 46.50.